Hello, my strong warriors. Today I'm going to inspire you because we need to tackle an issue. We need to take it down, put it in a chokehold, and get it harnessed right now. We're going to build your motivation. You know your mind is powerful, and you know you have to dominate those thoughts when it wants to take you down. It likes to play movies and stories, so you have to change the script. You have to value your desire to feel better all the time. So once you have the momentum on that, then you will feel much more productive and find how easy it is to reprogram your mind. Just don't let anything distract you from what you want to achieve. But you have to do this. You have to plan before you go to bed. You have to make a priority list and get them done one by one as soon as you get up in the morning. You stick to your plan and eliminate all distractions. So don't get distracted. You want to value what you desire to achieve. When you do this, you will not falter. Your attention to this will make you feel so much stronger. And having a strong desire and purpose is vital to you getting stuff done. The more you get done, the more momentum will build, and the motivation will build as you witness your progress. And then once you get these wheels of momentum turning, then you need to keep fueling it. The point is to keep moving forward, but you have to have clarity on what you are desiring. If you're too flexible, you will not get to your goals or finish anything, or at least in the time that you set up to complete them. So, sticking to a highly valued plan, I do not use the word strict because it holds some resistance and you need to soften that up a little bit sometimes to make you feel better about it. It's imperative that you do this, and then you get out of the bed in the morning and start getting on your list. Working towards something valuable should definitely hold some excitement for you. It is not easy, I know this, to see the light at the end of the tunnel when you're first getting started. But you have to have patience to get there, and the rewards will be so much higher because you are able to keep your discipline and you respect yourself for it. When you get to the point where you go to bed at night and you just can't wait to get up in the morning to start the day, then you will know that motivation is building. So guys, to get this motivation building, you have to have your desire set up. You have to have a plan set up. You have to be willing to take charge of yourself and stay focused. And don't stray off your values and your plan and what you want to achieve. Because when you do that, you're never going to get anything done, okay? So motivation is what gets shit done. So that's what we're going to work on. We're going to work on setting up your plan, setting your mind up, setting up that stage for you to get on the stuff that you want to take care of so that you can get to your big grand goal and you can get big muscles like me, or whatever it is that you're trying to target. You need to set that as a priority. Make it so important, so emotionally important, that there's nothing that's going to make you fall off your track. So, stay focused. Build that discipline. You got to do what it takes to get there. The momentum will ensue. Your motivation will build up, and then boom, voila, you'll be crossing things off your list one by one. You'll be looking back thinking, wow, why did I make that so hard before? Because it's all in your mind. So dominate that mind. I love that word because your mind is probably your biggest distraction. So you need to control that. You need to get it on track. You have to tell it what to do and what you want and stick to that. Don't let anything else get in your way. Keep moving forward, and the next thing you know, you'll be the President of the United States. Or not. Or owning your own island. Who knows? But thank you for watching this video. I had fun. Hope you did too. And I'll just continue to keep building you up, building you stronger. And please click on my other videos to see if there's any other information that you want to check out. I try to mix it up a little bit. But yeah, today was just all about like that inspiring thought. I had a thought in my mind. I just kind of rolled with it, and we did this together. So please click and subscribe. Let's do this some more. And yeah, just keep it going, and let's keep getting stronger.